Hello everyone, in this session we are going to learn about viewport in AutoCAD. What is AutoCAD viewport? Prior to 1990 in AutoCAD, viewport was simply a partition of the display graphics area. It did not show what was contained in the model space, but following the launch of release 11, viewports took on a new meaning. So currently, an AutoCAD viewport displays different scaled views or sections of a 2D drawing or 3D model. This feature is specially designed to help you reduce the time you would ordinarily need to pan or zoom in on a single view, especially when working with complex or large drawings. This is because you can set multiple zoomed in views of different parts of the drawing or model, which you can then switch between easily and quickly with the main view remaining unchanged. This way, AutoCAD viewport enables you to easily identify errors you would have otherwise missed if you were looking at the entire drawing. Benefits of AutoCAD viewport. As you may have already established from the section above, the AutoCAD viewport features offers numerous benefits. These include: it eliminates the need to pan or zoom into particular sections every time you want to assess the minute details, thereby saving time. Second benefit is AutoCAD viewport makes it easy to spot errors you would have otherwise missed. This feature eliminates the need to draw the various orthogonal projections of a 3D object for each of the 6 main viewing angles. Types of AutoCAD viewports. There are two types of AutoCAD viewports. First is model space viewport, second is layout viewport. We will see this in software. Okay, here we can see the model space viewport and here we can see the layout viewport. See here viewport configuration list. Here you can see the various views of your drawing. If you select this one, see, these are the various viewports of model space. Okay, and here you can see the layout viewports.